What up, y'all? We back at it on the E46 wagon, and man, my catalytic converters are clogged. So I gotta take off the secondary air pump, all the stuff that's around that, to even get to the header, to even see where they at. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Take off all the secondary air pump stuff. Then I also noticed that I got a crazy oil leak. I also have another valve cover gasket, so I might end up doing that too. So yeah, man, let's get it. First I gotta take off the secondary air pump, and we're gonna have it cracking. So let's do it. Okay, so now I got the bracket off.
It's naughty.
And now we gotta pull this wire off. And then
Okay, one braid.
alright, so now we gotta take this off while she's doing her braids. I'm over here working on the car. And we're gonna take this off.
I'm just practicing how to braid. I'm gonna take it out when I'm done using it.
She learned over there. Alright, we got that out now. Now you can see the header, see? And you can see her braid. You see her braid?
Okay.
See, look, that's fresh right there. So she working, I'm working. That's how you do it, man. That's how you do it. So now you see headers. I gotta take this off, and then we'll have full access. So now I just gotta take this box off. Yeah, man. They're happy over here, huh? They chilling.
Okay, why are they chilling?
Cause they're happy.
My place doesn't have that much birds.
They're not happy over there. They're like,
One time we had a bird and it scared us.
Really?
My mom's stuck. I told her I heard a bird. Something's leaking.
Yeah, that's from the windshield wiper box.
Okay, that stinks.
It stink? Really?
Okay, that's where the water comes from.
Mm-hmm. Let me get a flathead screwdriver. I'll be right back.
Water comes. Well, if I'm in the cold, I'll be cold.
All right, so now that box is off. And now we have full, right there. And now we have full access to the headers. So now, I'm gonna start taking them off. I see 11 mil.
I'm gonna go to this side.
And I'm probably gonna.
The more hot I get, the more thirsty.
And I'm gonna start taking off the. And I'm gonna start taking off the cowl over there, engine cover. Yeah, so that's next. Take off the cowl engine cover and start loosening the header bolts before I lift the car and go on the bottom and start doing the bottom. But yeah, man, headers come out today. Let's get it. All right, cool. So took that shield off. I've been working my way, trying to get these damn bolts off. I got a couple, most of them up top. I got 3 more. Yeah, we can go to the bottom. So they got a little swivel thingy. See what I mean? So yeah, man, I pretty much got that one loose. All right, now somehow I managed to get all the bolts at the top. It was hard. I had to go through backhands and, you know, knuckles was bruised, but all the top bolts are off and they're in there. Now I gotta get all the bottom bolts. But in order to get the bottom bolts, I gotta pull off the engine mount. So first thing I'm gonna do is, that's a 15mm nut or 16. Take that off. Then I gotta take off this ground cable right here, which is a 13. And then there's 4 13mm bolts. Alright, so now I'm on the bottom. What I'm gonna do is jack it up from here. I gotta pull down the sway bar. And then I'm gonna take off the engine mount. And then, yeah, I should have access to all the bolts that's on the bottom. Take out the front header, then take out the back header, take out this plate. And yeah, man, I should be on the money. So let's get it. Alright, so now we under the car. Take this plate off. It's a couple 16s. 4.5. But yeah, 4 in the back, 4 in the front, and then the plate comes off. That's what I'm about to do right now. So now you see the engine mount right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then engine mount comes off. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Start loosening up the bolts for the engine mount. Let's get it. Alright, so now the motor mount's out of the way. Now that's out of the way, you have a lot more space, but first this header has to come out. The front one and then the back one, and you'll see all the space. So let's get it. It ain't got dark on me, y'all. So now I'm pulling the one header out that I can. I got the exhaust down. Now I'm just pulling that out that I can. Gotta work off that back wire and it should drop down. Once I work off that back wire, it should drop down. So now I have access to one header's out, like I showed y'all. It's the one on the floor. We out in the dark. Now you see how clean access I have to the other bolts. So now I'm gonna start taking the other 4 bolts off, and this other header should come off. So, whew, let's get it. 4 more bolts, y'all. As you can see now, both headers are out. And yeah, we good, man. Now time to see what's up tomorrow, man. And there goes your catalytic converters. There goes one, and there goes the other one. So cats are out. Next I'm gonna cut them up, gut them, put them back. Let's get it. And clean up all this damn mess. Until next time, y'all. Peace.